What if your home could feel like European palace, but you could stay in it comfortably every single day? That's what we have created here. Welcome to this stunning Euro contemporary fusion style home. This is architect Sarika Kulkarni from SK Design Studio, and today we are standing at Asteria Courtyard, Thane. I will show you a complete home tour of this stunning home. Let's start. So as I told you, this house is in fusion style. तो fusion style होता क्या है? तो we have used some elements of European style and rest of the most of the house is in contemporary style. जैसे for example, this is a stunning passage area. तो passage area को थोड़ा interesting बनाने के लिए we have added beautiful wallpaper here. This wallpaper is from कलाकारी हार. इसका आप डिज़ाइन देखोगे तो it's giving that European vibe. And वही wallpaper का color लेके we have added that in the shoe rack. Now this house is completely in laminate finish. Very few places we have used PU paint. तो इसमें fusion डालने के लिए there were a lot of challenges like in European style you always get lot of molding. तो वो molding को laminate के साथ match करना was a big challenge and I'll show you how we have managed that. Now opposite to the wallpaper, this is the niche given by the builder and इसमें we have given the full storage and just to break the monotony we have given this open niche here, and in the bottom also we have added this slit so that you can just slide in your regular shoes, and above this these are two openable shutter like this, and on the top also we have given full storage. Now the depth given by the builder was 2 feet and we have decided to utilize the complete depth in order to get maximum storage. Now next to the shoe rack you can see this beautiful sitting area. Earlier it was not like that. There was a wall here. तो हमें क्या था, we wanted to give a very stunning look to the entrance lobby. So we have just taken some space from the kitchen area and we have created this niche. Now this niche is giving two purposes, like it is also giving you a space to sit while you are wearing the shoes. At the same time it is giving a very beautiful and lavish look to the entrance lobby. तो यहाँ पे the material we have used, this is glass brick and these are foldable rafter. We have just given a round shape and the rafter used are the foldable rafter, and a nice beautiful hanging lamp is adding to the beauty of the niche. Now this is the sliding door and this door goes for the kitchen area. So I'll show you the kitchen little later. So after the entrance lobby we come to this beautiful living area. तो यहाँ पे हमने फ्यूजन स्टाइल कैसे किया है? So we have used little bit of molding here. Also if you see the lights on the dining area, that is also in European style, and the color. Like यहाँ पे we have used this stunning green color which is also a part of the wallpaper which is there in the entrance lobby. We have taken that color from the wallpaper and then we have just added like little bit of drama in the living room. So a very dramatic green color is giving, but still it is not looking overdue. Rest of the home, if you see the color combination, it is light neutral color and the touches of this molding in the TV unit, the molding here, it is giving that European style. So I'll explain you about overall color palette. So this side is the living area. We have customized this sofa. On the back side here they have a very big balcony, and we wanted to add that drama, but at the same time we didn't want to make it very heavy on the overall layout. So backside of the sofa we have just added texture paint, and the same molding which is there on the TV unit we have repeated here, but this texture paint and the molding is adding to that drama. And the color palette is as usual, as I said, it is a beige color palette. Again, to add a little bit of European theme, we have given the accessories in this floral style, little bit of this bright color, and the throw is also a little bit brighter color. So we have even the accessories, if you see the accessories which we have kept on the dining area, that is also adding to a little bit of color. So it is a perfect mixture of European and contemporary style. Now on the opposite side here I'll explain you about this beautiful TV unit. TV unit mein there was a challenge. Like there was a beam which was going throughout, like from here to till that end, and the beam was ahead around 6 to 7 inches from the wall. But I wanted to give that lavish look and feel to the TV unit, so I decided to use the space and give the space for the accessories on that side, and I have entirely taken the TV unit in the front. इससे क्या हुआ है कि when you, as soon as you enter from the passage area, you see the full height TV unit. Now this is adding to the grandeur of the overall look and feel. Imagine if I put the TV unit till the beam level and उसके नीचे अगर मैं ये start करती हूँ तो अभी जो ये इसका मेरा look and feel आ रहा है वो 100% नहीं आता था. Now it is looking way rich and exotic. Now here I have used this molding, and just to match the color of the molding we have used PU finisher. So only the mandir area and the TV unit area we have used the PU paint. Now again, as I said, we wanted to utilize the space between the beam and the wall. We have created the stall unit to keep the accessories. Now you see that packing area, that is the beam. Now that beam is going like little bit backside, that beam is going throughout till the end. So we have packed that space where there is a beam, and we have added little bit of curve here. So we have used HDHMR and flexi ply to get that curve. Now that curve is turning here, and the space between that, we have added the niche area for the accessories. On the back side of the niche we have given this PVC rafters. Now this is the dining area, और यहाँ पे ये जो dining table है ये client का ही है. We have not done anything to this dining table, but we have just added the bench and the chairs to the dining table. On the back side of the dining table एक बहुत ही प्यारा हमने एक brown mirror का एक paneling किया है, and on the top of the dining table this is a chandelier which is again matching to the European vibe, and opposite side to that this is a crockery unit. You can see the design of this crockery unit. It's a combination of crockery unit and mandir. तो यहाँ पे this is a very small space we have given, but in that small mandir also we have added these columns, the arch. On the back side also there is this acrylic with the design. There is a tray. यहाँ पे एक ट्रे है नैवेद्यम के लिए. इसके नीचे अगेन देर इज़ अ ड्रॉवर, एंड दिस ब्यूटीफुल पीस ऑफ आर्ट इज़ अ क्रॉकरी यूनिट. ये क्रॉकरी यूनिट इज़ अगेन हैंडललेस. नाउ कंटेम्प्रेरी डिज़ाइन इज़ ऑल अबाउट हैंडललेस डिज़ाइन. सो वी हैव हियर, दिस इज़ हाउ इट ओपन्स. like this is a full storage, and the handles are not visible here, so you can open it from this niche. So this is a single storage, but from outside you will feel that it's a combination of 4 shutters. And again the same texture paint continues here. Now let's see the European style kitchen. So I'll tell you a story. ये हमारा European और fusion style स्टार्ट कहाँ से हुआ. सो क्लाइंट जब मेरे पास आए थे कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट लेके, दे हैव सीन अ पिंटरेस्ट इमेज for the kitchen, and they wanted to have that particular color and that particular style for the kitchen. I told them that this is called European style. The designing started from there. We thought, why not to carry forward the same style in the entire home. But European style is about lot of maintenance, heavy design, and the arches and molding, so client didn't want to have a complete European style. तो फिर हमने डिसाइड किया कि ओके देन व्हाई नॉट टू हैव इट एज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ यूरोपियन एंड कंटेम्प्रेरी स्टाइल. सो that's how it has started, and we have made the design in such a way that it will give you that style of feel of European style, but at the same time it is maintenance free. I'll show you the kitchen area. So the area of the flat is around 1100 square feet carpet, and on the left side this is the guest bedroom, and on the right side this is the kitchen area. So kitchen area में हमने we have given the sliding door. This is with the fluted glass. We have customized it. Let's go and see the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area, and this is the color and the design which client had originally liked. तो यहाँ पे this is the space for the microwave, and obviously it's open microwave. Small niches are given just to keep some tea, coffee or anything handy which you want. And again, these are some elements which are like giving that European vibe. So this is the space for the crockery unit. Again, a storage has been carved out. This is extra storage. Even the shelves and the storage is here, and in the bottom you can see that there are these tandem units. So these are big tandem units which are carved out. So this is cutlery, cup, saucer, and then again on this side these are 3 tandem units which we have carved out. Now these are 2 shutters. This is below the sink, so this space can be used for the dirty vessels and also for the dustbin. There was a door given by the build-up, तो हमने जो है ये डोर निकाल दिया. यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही अच्छा पूरा क्वार्ट्स का डिटेलिंग दिया है. नाउ ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने ये पूरा क्वार्ट्स का फ्रेम दिया है. इससे क्या होता है ना कि व्हेन यू आर एंटरिंग इन द यूटिलिटी एरिया, तो ये हमेशा ये धक्का लग के ये जो कॉर्नर्स है ये पूरा टूटने का बहुत चांसेस होता है. सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर and it always gets dirty also, so it's better to use the stone molding or the stone framing here. तो हमने ये पूरा स्टोन का फ्रेम यहाँ पे दिया है. एंड दिस इज़ द यूटिलिटी एरिया. अगेन यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन हमने किया है. जैसे जितना भी स्पेस था पूरा का पूरा वी हैव ट्राइड टू यूटिलाइज द स्पेस. तो एक ऐसा पूरा काउंटर दे दिया है. दिस काउंटर कैन बी यूटिलाइज फॉर मेनी थिंग्स, लाइक आपका मिक्सर लगाने के लिए या ओवन यहाँ पे रख सकते हो, या कोई भी अप्लायंसेस के लिए यू कैन यूटिलाइज दिस स्पेस. एंड इसके ऊपर अगेन फुल स्टोरेज इज कार्व्ड आउट. ये साइड में दिस इज़ पाइप का स्पेस, तो इसको पूरा कवर किया है हमने. एंड दिस इज़ ऑब्वियसली ओपनेबल इन फॉर द मेंटेनेंस. एंड ऑन द right side again this is a space for the dishwasher which is near to the sink, and a big platform is given. We have completely changed the kitchen platform given by the builder. The layout is also changed, and this is white quartz. The same quartz we have used on the back side which is called dado, और platform पे भी हमने same quartz किया है. तो इसके लिए क्या है कि जो dado है it is completely looking jointless. एंड यहाँ पे द स्टोरेज भी आप देखोगे तो स्टोरेज पूरा ऊपर तक फुल हाइट स्टोरेज वी हैव गिवन. सो दो द किचन इज़ वेरी स्मॉल, इट इज़ गिविंग लॉट ऑफ स्टोरेज विच वॉज नीडेड. एंड जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था आपको कि वी हैव नॉट चेंज द विंडो, बट वी मेड श्योर दैट the frame of the window is matching to the quartz. Now all these small detail matter for a luxurious home. Now let's go and see the rest of the home. Now this is the passage area. Passage area में ये 3 दरवाजे हैं. ये मास्टर बेडरूम का डोर है. दिस इज सन्स रूम एंड ये कॉमन टॉयलेट. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि ये जो घर है ये पूरा लैमिनेट फिनिश में हमने किया है, बट थोड़ा यूरोपियन टच देने का ट्राई किया है. तो इसके लिए हमने क्या किया, लाइक इफ़ यू सी हियर, ये जो डोर है ये डोर को थोड़ा सा मोल्डिंग पैटर्न और थोड़ा वो टच देने के लिए वी हैव एडेड द मोल्डिंग हियर. ये राउंड मोल्डिंग. अब क्या है, ये राउंड मोल्डिंग लैमिनेट को एग्जैक्ट मैच नहीं हो सकती, तो हमने क्या किया है, वी हैव जस्ट पॉलिश्ड इट विद द सिमिलर कलर. तो इससे द ओवरऑल थीम जो है वो थोड़ा इसमें कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. नाउ यहाँ पे वी हैव डन सम ऑल्ट्रेशन. एज यू ऑल नो वी स्पेशलाइज इन टू कार्विंग आउट एक्स्ट्रा स्टोरेजेस. सो द डोर फॉर द बेडरूम वॉज हियर. यहाँ पे दरवाज़ा था. एंड देन what we have done is we have just shifted the door to this side and we have carved out a full storage here. तो ये अराउंड 18 by 9 फीट का एक्स्ट्रा फुल स्टोरेज क्लाइंट को मिल गया है. एंड एंटर होने के बाद में द स्पेस शुड नॉट लुक क्रैम्प, तो वी हैव गिवन द स्लाइडिंग डोर हियर. नाउ दिस इज द स्लाइडिंग डोर एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू दिस इज अ कंप्लीट स्टोरेज एंड दिस इज़ अ कंप्लीट मिरर हियर. और इसके पीछे एक पूरा स्टोरेज है, तो इसका फुल एक ड्रेसिंग का स्टोरेज हो जाता है. एंड location of the mirror is also given in such a way that behind the mirror we get lot of depth, so that even if you are standing little bit behind you can see yourself completely. Now this is a very beautiful and calming master bedroom. तो master bedroom में हमने यूरोपियन टच कैसे दिया है, तो if you see the ceiling में हमने थोड़ा सा एक मोल्डिंग पैटर्न ऐड कर दिया है। प्लस इफ़ यू सी दिस ब्यूटीफुल वॉलपेपर, तो ये वॉलपेपर भी थोड़ा सा हमने फ्लावर और वो टच दिया है विच इज़ अपोजिट टू द कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी स्टाइल। एंड अगेन बेड बैग, इफ़ यू सी द बेड बैग, लॉट ऑफ मोल्डिंग्स हैव बीन एडेड देयर विच इज़ अगेन little bit different from the contemporary style, but it is merging very well. Like you will not feel that it's something odd. All the color combination, the design style, which is it's exactly as per client's liking. Client has liked it a lot. In the wardrobe also we have used the same detail. As I said, the wardrobe is completely in the laminate finish, but just to add that little bit of European touch, we have added this molding which we have polished similar to the color of the laminate. Now these are the handles. All these handles are customized. So this is the inside. Now you can see the details, like even in the inside of the wardrobe we have used the similar laminate which we have used in the outside. All these small details gives a very luxurious look and feel. Now imagine if the laminates are plain dull laminates, white color laminates, that doesn't give this luxurious look. But ये जो हमने सेम वुडन कलर का लुक एंड फील दिया है, प्लस वी हैव एडेड दिस सेंसर लाइट and all these details, plus in the bottom also we have given glass drawers. All these details add to the extra luxurious look and feel. Now these are the 4 shutters. Now this is one extra shutter which this we have given it separately because obviously there is this side table, and on the side table we wanted to utilize the space completely for the storage. So here this shutter opens out separately like this. Now all the small details matter. So here we have given a fixed panel here. Why this panel is needed? It is because like if you are opening this shutter here like this, anything which is kept below, it's not getting hindered. Like ये shutter है, ये पूरा अच्छे से open हो पाता है. अगर ये shutter मेरे पूरा मैं नीचे से लेती हूँ तो whatever I am keeping on the side table, we have to remove it. So all these detail matters. Plus here you see, since the space is little small, the corner of the bed, all these are rounded. Now ये क्या है? तो ये जो है यहाँ से the bed opens, and ये open करके there is this complete hydraulic bed. तो अलग से कुछ हमने हैंडल नहीं दिया है. This groove itself acts like the handle for the bed. Now this groove continues, and it continues in the side table also. Like from this groove, this is called a C groove. There are these 2 drawers which opens like that, and there is no handle given to this. So as I said, this is a combination. So we have added little bit of contemporary style here, and we have not given any handle or anything in the bed and in the side table. But in the bottom we have added all this rafters and moldings and the lights and everything, which is giving little bit of European vibe. Now the client also wanted to have a space for writing. So what do you think? Where is the space for writing? So here in this beautiful panel, this is a space for writing. Now this opens up out like this, and यहाँ पे ही हमने प्लग पॉइंट्स दिए हैं ताकि अगर लैपटॉप पे कुछ काम करना है, कुछ थोड़ी देर के लिए कुछ रीड करना है, या चार्जिंग के लिए आपको फ़ोन लगाना है, you can utilize this space. And otherwise when you close it, this is a beautiful panel. And यहाँ से there is again a small balcony, so there is a space for the balcony. You can go out from here, and a very beautiful view is seen from this side. And you can see here again there is a beam. So ये beam को भी उसको थोड़ा हमने if there is a saying that if you can't hide something, you just highlight it. So ये beam को highlight करने के लिए we have just used the same rafter paneling which is behind the bed bag. We have used it here. And now this is the toilet. So we have not touched the toilet. The toilets are given by the builder only. So I am not going to show you a toilet. Many time I get the question like why you don't show the toilet. So whenever we are changing the toilets given by the builder, I try to show it, but otherwise there is no point, so I don't show that. Now let's go and see the son's bedroom. So master bedroom से now this is the son's bedroom. Come on. So this is the son's bedroom. तो सन्स बेडरूम का जो साइज़ है वो अराउंड 11 फीट बाय 12 फीट का साइज़ है. एंड सन्स बेडरूम में हमने एक यूरोपियन मतलब ज़्यादा हमने इसमें नहीं दिया है, बट जस्ट लिटिल बिट ऑफ मोल्डिंग ऑन द बैक साइड ऑफ द बेड. जैसे ये मिरर के साथ में हमने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा, इफ़ यू सी इन द डिटेल, वी हैव एडेड कंप्लीट मोल्डिंग पैटर्न हियर एंड थोड़ा सा राफ्टर का डिटेलिंग दिया है. बाकी मोर ऑफ दिस रूम इज़ मोर ऑफ कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी स्टाइल ओनली. तो यहाँ पे दो रिक्वायरमेंट्स थे क्लाइंट के कि क्लाइंट को ये स्पेस थोड़ा स्पेशियस दिखना चाहिए था, बट एट द सेम टाइम वहाँ पे उनको ड्रेसर एंड ऑब्वियसली लॉट ऑफ स्टोरेज एंड थोड़ा सा एक स्टडी टेबल का भी रिक्वायरमेंट था. तो हमने ये कैसे काम आउट किया. सो ये जो आप लेज देख रहे हो, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे यू कैन यूज़ दिस स्पेस फॉर चार्जिंग और कीपिंग एनीथिंग हैंडी. दिस स्पेस कैन बी वेरी वेल यूटिलाइज्ड हियर, बट यही इसका यूज़ नहीं है. ये जो इसका डेप्थ हमने ये जो लेज क्रिएट किया है, तो इसके नीचे देयर इज़ अ हिडन स्टडी टेबल. आई शो यू हाउ. सो यहाँ पे एक होल्डिंग टेबल हमने कार्व आउट किया है लाइक दिस. So this is exactly the height of your study table, and this space can be utilized just to keep your any accessories which is handy. And rest of the panel, these are fixed panel, and इसके पीछे हमने just एक rafter add किया है. ऊपर there are two ledge and this is a wallpaper. The main idea was हमें एक टिपिकल फोल्डिंग टेबल का डिज़ाइन नहीं देना था कि बाहर से वो देखते वक्त वो लगे कि येस दिस इज़ अ फोल्डिंग टेबल हियर. हमें एक ऐसा डिज़ाइन क्रिएट करना था कि जो बंद होने के बाद में इट शुड इटसेल्फ लुक लाइक ओनली अ ब्यूटीफुल पैनल. एंड आई थिंक वी हैव अचीव्ड इट. सो इसको मैं जब बंद करती हूँ, this just looks like a beautiful panel. And यही same design and pattern we have continued on the wardrobe also, on the loft storage, and in the bottom we have just added the same rafter pattern. This is PVC rafter pattern, and these are beautiful 4 feet height handles, and again the same detail which you have seen in the master bedroom we have added here. This color is a very different color, like this is not a common, this is not a beige color, it's a the pinkish color. And I'll give you the code. If you comment in the comment box, I will definitely send you, just add a comment color and I will definitely give you the color code of this particular color. And here on the opposite side again we have given a storage for the used clothes. Now as I told you, this is completely in the laminate finish, but the laminates which we have used here are core laminate. Like, what is the core laminate? If you see this white, the edges of this laminate, these are not black, it's the same edge. And just we have given a full height mirror as a dresser. So even the space of this bedroom is small, we have utilized it completely. We have given a very nice dressing table, we have given a study table, a nice display space for the artifacts, lot of storage, and at the same time still it is looking spacious. So how do you like it? Please let me know in the comment box. Now let's go and see the last room, which is the guest bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom, and this is the last bedroom, which is a guest bedroom. तो ये गेस्ट बेडरूम का साइज़ इज़ अराउंड 10 फीट बाय 12 फीट. एंड इसका डिज़ाइन का स्टार्ट यहाँ से हुआ कि क्लाइंट के पास ये सोफ़ा कम बेड एग्जिस्टिंग था. नाउ द कलर वाज फिक्स्ड, सो ये ग्रे कलर का सोफ़ा कम बेड एंड इट वाज न्यू, सो वी डिसाइडेड टू यूज़ द एग्जिस्टिंग सोफ़ा कम बेड. सो वी हैव टेकन द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन फ्रॉम दिस सोफ़ा. तो ओवरऑल अगर रूम का आप कलर कॉम्बिनेशन देखोगे तो इट्स वाइट ग्रे, एंड जो वॉल का कलर है अगेन इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इंग्लिश वॉल कलर. आई विल टेल यू इन द कमेंट्स इफ़ यू राइट कलर in the comment box. This is an English wall color, and on the back side again just give that European theme, European touch. We have added this molding here, and on the top, just in the line of the palmate, AC palmate, we have given this rafter, and below that this is a beautiful design created in the back side of the sofa. Now this is the wardrobe, and in the wardrobe, in every room, you must have observed that we have added little bit of a display corner or a display area. So here also, instead of just closing it till the end, we have just cut the corner and added the shelves here. This can be used to keep the artifacts. इससे क्या होता है ना, there are two things which are possible because of this. आने के बाद में, since it's like just next to the door, ये पूरा claustrophobic नहीं लगता है. यहाँ पे there is little bit of openness here, and at the same time the area has been utilized well, and the corner is not sharp. We have given the round shape here. Now this is not only the packing area. Again here we have completely carved out the storage, so this can be closed like this, and the groove is maintained throughout. And corner ऊपर का भी आप देखोगे तो there is little bit of curve shape is given here, just to add little bit of, you know, that wow factor. And again this is the wardrobe. अभी ये wardrobe है, it's a combination of fluted laminates, it's not rafter. Nowadays there are the fluted laminate. The difference is कि ये जो इसके फ्लूट्स है ना, ये ज़्यादा इसमें डेप्थ नहीं होता है, इट जस्ट गिव्स दैट इफेक्ट, बट इट्स अ फ्लैट लैमिनेट ओनली. लिटिल बिट ऑफ फ्लूट इज एडेड, एंड हैंडल्स अगेन वी हैव कार्व्ड आउट हियर. सो दिस आर राउंड हैंडल्स. क्लाइंट का कुछ सामान यहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है. नीचे हमने क्लाइंट के रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से कुछ ड्रॉवर्स दिए हुए हैं, एंड यहाँ पे वी हैव एडेड द फैब्रिक लैमिनेट. एंड सिमिलरली ऑन दिस साइड ऑल्सो, this is the wardrobe, and again this is the door for the toilet. Since there was no extra space for the mirror, we decided to give the mirror on the toilet door, and यहाँ से this is the entrance for the toilet. Again we have just given some storage below the wash basin, and we have not done anything extra here. So this is the toilet area, and now this is something interesting. This client has particularly the requirement of having the folding table everywhere. Now here also we decided to give the folding table in such a way कि वो एक typical folding table का panel ना लगे. अभी यहाँ पे भी आप दूर से देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा ये एक ब्यूटीफुल डिस्प्ले यूनिट है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे पीछे हमने कुछ मिरर लगाया है. देन देर इज़ अगेन अ स्पेस, ओपन स्पेस हियर. तो इट्स लुकिंग अ ब्यूटीफुल डिस्प्ले यूनिट, बट इट्स नॉट ओनली अ डिस्प्ले यूनिट, दिस इज अगेन अ फोल्डिंग टेबल. तो यहाँ पे इसको अगर आपको ओपन करना है तो जस्ट पुल आउट द टेबल फ्रॉम हियर, एंड दिस इज द स्टडी टेबल. सो एवरीवेयर इन एवरी रूम हमने एक स्टडी टेबल तो दिया ही है, बट एक बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से उसको रूम के डिज़ाइन के साथ में कैमोफ्लेज किया है. सो दिस इज़ इट अबाउट द लास्ट बेडरूम, विच इज़ द गेस्ट बेडरूम. नाउ दिस इज़ इट अबाउट आवर यूरो कंटेम्प्रेरी स्टाइल फ्यूजन इंटीरियर्स. Let me know in the comment box what are your thoughts on them. I personally read all the comments, so I am eager to know your thoughts on the same. And you know whom to call if at all you are interested in this kind of interiors. See you soon in my next video log. Bye.